Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with SIM Unlock Phone's official YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock your iPhone X that is locked to a T-Mobile network. Now, all you have to do is follow along with the steps that we're going to show you in the video, as well as be sure to follow the links down in the description below to stay along with the tutorial, and you will have your phone unlocked in no time. Factory unlocking your phone not only increases the value of it, it also allows you to use it with any carrier in the world. And again, this is good if you do want to sell your phone in the future, or if you want to use it in different countries. So to begin, all that we're going to want to do is go to our settings app, and then go to the About tab, scroll down, and then you'll find your IMEI number. So this is a 15-digit number. You might want to write it down, copy and paste it, just have it somewhere in which we can use it later on in the video. So once we have that 15-digit number saved there, all that we're going to want to do now is go to simunlockphone.com. So the link to this will be down in the description below, and then you're going to want to click the shop tab at the top, and then go to T-Mobile iPhone Unlock. What you're going to want to do from here is make sure that you fill out the IMEI information for the phone that we're going to be using on T-Mobile. Again, you're going to want to put the model as well as the IMEI of the phone along with the status of the IMEI. So if your phone is clean or a financed IMEI, make sure that that's noted so that it can be filed under the right unlock category. Now, once we do that on the website, go ahead and check out, and then wait within 5 to 10 days, and you will receive an email from SIM Unlock Phone saying that your unlock is ready. From there on out, the rest of the video is actually very simple in what you're going to want to do. And we're going to want to take out the current SIM card that's in the phone. And now, from here, what we're going to want to do is put in the SIM card from a different carrier. So, for example, we're going to be going from T-Mobile to AT&T. So we're going to switch out these two SIM cards here. And once you put in the SIM card, then it will wait for activation. And as long as you do everything correctly, then eventually the right carrier should come up for you. Again, that was how to unlock your T-Mobile iPhone X. If you guys need any more advice, leave the comments down below and we will help you guys figure out the problems with the unlock. Again, this was a tutorial for how to unlock the T-Mobile iPhone X. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the SIM Unlock Phone YouTube channel. Signing off, this is Drake. We'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.